guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I style this head wrap. It's super simple, it's cute for protective styles or just any old style in general, and I just want to share that with you guys. So let's just get into it. It's super simple to do, trust me on that. Okay, so you can see my hair is up in a ponytail, and I just felt like it was easier to do instead of having all the braids all over the place trying to struggle to tie this. So I placed this head wrap behind my head, and what I'm going to do is just slowly bring it up and cross them over each other. Now that they're crossed, I'm going to go ahead and just double it one more time. Now that I have it fully doubled, I'm going to go ahead and tie it in the back. Definitely feel free to double knot it again if you'd like, but I'm literally just gonna leave it hanging like this, and that's it. Literally, that is it. Fix my ponytail and finito. So yeah, I told you guys this was gonna be super easy and super fast to do.